Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Meet for live captions in the US. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to meet.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Start a new meeting by clicking on the New Meeting button. Once your meeting starts, look for the Turn on Captions button at the bottom of the screen. Click on the Turn on Captions button to enable live captions. Ensure that your microphone is unmuted so that the speech will be captured for captions. To change the caption language, click on the More Options icon represented by 3 dots. Select Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings menu, locate the Captions section. Choose the desired language from the drop-down menu for your captions. Close the Settings menu once you have made your selection. Your live captions will now appear at the bottom of your meeting screen. Encourage participants to speak clearly for better caption accuracy. You can also adjust your screen sharing settings, if necessary, to ensure visibility of captions. To turn off captions later, simply click on the Turn Off Captions button. Your captions will disappear from the screen when this option is selected. If you need to repeat this setup for future meetings, just follow the same steps each time. Remember to double-check your settings before each meeting for an optimal experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.